Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the Chaos Oscillator Indicator for MT4. This is a volatility and momentum oscillator that blends the Awesome Oscillator with the average true range to gauge both direction and intensity of market moves. I'll load the oscillator on the screen so we can see how it looks in real time. If we come over to the input or the common, we allow DLL import to allow the oscillator work. And now on the MT4, the Chaos Oscillator plots a histogram or line that oscillates between positive and negative territory in a sub-window, rising and falling as strength and volatility change. Because it combines AO, that is the Awesome Oscillator, viewed from the differences between 5 and 34 period SMAs with ATR volatility. A rising positive value suggests a strengthening bullish environment, while a falling negative value suggests strengthening bearish pressure. The line swings help you see when the market is in a strong directional phase versus when volatility and momentum are fading toward more chaotic or ranging conditions. Now let's look at it. Settings. You come over to its settings in its input. You can see alert, and then we move to its color and adjust it for easier visualization. The one will be a bullish condition and the two is a bearish condition. And let's set that. Its core inputs includes the AO look back, fast and slow SMA length, and the ATR period, which together control how quickly the oscillator responds to changes in trend and volatility. Its visual settings, as I showed you earlier, lets you adjust the color and of the oscillator line and any zero line or band levels you want to display for overbought or oversold interpretations. As you can see here, the line changes from red to green in a bullish condition and switches back to red in a bearish condition and moves in that pattern throughout the chart. Who is the oscillator for? The Chaos Oscillator is suited for to traders who want a single line showing a blend of direction and volatility rather than tracking the Awesome Oscillator or the average true range separately. It's a visual signal and context tool and does not execute trades, and it should also be paired with price action or trend following tools because oscillator swings alone can still give false reversals in noisy markets, as you can see. You can download the Chaos Oscillator Indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This indicator gives you a compact way to read directional bias and volatility together, helping you distinguish strong trends from messy, chaotic phases. If you enjoyed this breakdown, remember to subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 indicator guides.